Regardless of the choice of external email program, we'll need to begin by making a change to our Google account settings to allow access to what Google refers to as less secure applications. In short, less secure applications are non-Google programs, such as Outlook and Apple Mail, which can access your Google account if you choose to allow it. It's important to note that these non-Google programs can use less secure sign-in technology, which can make your account more vulnerable. However, if you wish to use a non-Google email client, you'll need to allow this access. To set up less secure access, first click on your Google Apps launcher. Select your account icon. Click Security on the left-hand side of your account window. Scroll to Less Secure App Access and click Turn on Access. Click the Allow Less Secure Apps switch to On. To configure Outlook to receive messages from Gmail, you'll begin in the Gmail app, specifically in Settings. Click Settings from the menu that appears. Click the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. In the IMAP Access section, select Enable IMAP. Then click Save Changes. Then you'll change SMTP and other settings in Outlook. Use this table to update the client with the correct information. After you've configured IMAP access in Gmail, you'll then need to move to your third-party email program. In this case, I'm using Outlook. Now, each person's version of Outlook could be a bit different, but the settings should be the same. What I'm going to do is go into the Tools menu, and I'm going to choose Accounts. This will open up the Accounts window, and I'm going to add a new account. I'll select Other Email, and then I'll type in my TELUS.net Gmail address. I'll enter my password. And then I'll enter my username, which will just be my email address once again. I'll choose IMAP as my server type, and my incoming server will be imap.gmail.com. I'll select Use SSL to connect, and you'll see that it will now default to port 993. My outgoing server will be smtp.gmail.com. I can use SSL to connect, and I can also decide to override the default port. Now you'll see that it is defaulting to port 25. That can work. If it doesn't work, what you can do is select Override Default Port, and then you can type in port 465. I'll then click on Add Account. Once it connects, I will then have access to my Gmail account inside of Outlook. And there we go. I'll go ahead and close this window, and you'll see that I now have access to my Gmail account from within Microsoft Outlook.